Previously, in our last episode,
I bring you peace.
This is my hairy hole.
And just ahead, flip, flop, flooba-dee-ba-bop, a fleeba-bee-ba-bop, oh flip. OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of 2 cats. G here from OG Creations. It's a chilly one today.
I'm so cold.
Since I use my in-ground, completely brick garage as my creation studio, I thought I would layer up.
A layer of anger.
And I'm missing a few extra layers.
What about the second layer and the third layer?
I have had a pair of flank joggers in my inventory for quite a while. Flip, flop, flooba-dee-ba-bop, a fleeba-bee-ba-bop, oh flip. Flip, flip. I had no clue what I wanted to do on them. I thought today would be the perfect day to figure that out. I think my inspiration is going to be this photo. I came across this awesome pair of trainers while I was in a fit of rage.
Bottomless rage.
For losing my friends and family discount from Brooks running shoes.
Are you wearing the
Ghost 15 from Brooks?
Yeah, I am.
I love the different dark blues and turquoises they use with all of those highlights of pink, making a beautiful purple.
Ooh, colors.
Now wouldn't it be killer if I can recreate this?
Oh my god, another recreation?
Will I be able to?
Who cares?
Or will I just fuck it up?
Don't fuck it up.
We will see.
We have to do this.
So before I freeze to death out here, let's get started.
Fuck it, we're all gonna die.
Let's start with a pair of Cotton Heritage's 100% cotton unisex premium joggers in white, but it's really just ivory. I purchased these through Dharma Trading Company, but you can also purchase them through Blank Style and, you've guessed it, Amazon. I soaked these in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes and then placed them in a 10-minute spin cycle. I loosely crumble them directly on my dye rack. I then randomly apply layers of my liquid dyes. Here I am using shades of Peony, Turquoise, Houdini Blue, and Blue Abyss. After resting for about 2 to 3 hours, I flip them over and apply more dyes. They are then set aside for 48 hours to cure in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. They are then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I add it to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. For something that I had no clue that I wanted to make, these are so fab. I love the way that the different colors are popping through to create this mysterious, stormy galaxy. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or you just want to leave a comment, please make sure to do so in the comment section below. I love responding to everyone. Plus, it really does help with this stupid algorithm for new viewers to find my channel, and that's the whole point of me making these videos in the first place. So please, comment away. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.